With inflationary trends, but also increased housing prices, is it a good time to look for real estate investments?
Well, that's a wonderful question. I'm speaking as an investor who has a property under contract, an investment property. So the answer is it all depends. I picked out a property that was in rough shape and that had been on the market for over 90 days. One of the classic failures in real estate is if you overprice a property relative to its value, a lot of times it ends up selling for less than market value because it's viewed as a wasted or a stale property. And so I think that good, sharp investors do have opportunities right now. Benchmarks would be the following. One is don't overpay. If you don't find a deal, don't buy, hang on to your cash. Two, the key investment and the thing that I personally do is I don't get just pre-approved. I get approved for a mortgage before I start making offers. So I'm the big dog. I'm ready to go forward. My mortgage companies confirm my down payment. They're ready to go. And so that gives me a lot more leverage in the transaction. And of course, you've got your commercial buyers who are buying for cash, and the cash buyers always have an advantage in the market. Now, where I think people need to be careful is the old promotional argument. Well, rent out single family houses. It's a good business, but my concern is sometimes people on the margin would be better off to go ahead and sell that house and let someone who has deeper financial means rent the house out, buy and rent the house, because it is not a market for people who are at the margin. In other words, if people were to encounter this moratorium, this eviction moratorium, and couldn't evict a non-paying tenant, could they continue to pay the mortgage? So I think it's important that if people are in the market, they be well-qualified investors, they be savvy investors, and that they have the means to survive things if things get rougher. In terms of inflation, we're seeing inflation in consumer goods. The Houston market for single family homes, this average sale price went up 16% September 20 to September 21. Just saw the Houston area realtor number came out a couple days ago. So certainly real estate's a good investment, but again, you've got to be careful.